Good afternoon, student of class 12. We are discussing chapter 11, three-dimensional geometry. We have discussed how to find the equation of a plane in space with the given condition. Three different conditions we have discussed. Now we will discuss another one plane, that is intercept form. Intercept form the equation of a plane. Let the equation of the plane be, here we are considering ax plus by plus ez plus d equal to 0, d not equal to 0, and let the plane makes intercept a, b, c on x, y and z axis respectively. Therefore, this plane meet x axis at a0 0, y axis at 0 b0 and z axis at 0 0 c respectively. Therefore, this point will satisfy this equation, this point also satisfy this equation, this point also satisfy this equation. From this we will get capital A is equal to minus d by a, capital B is equal to minus d by b and capital S is equal to minus d by c. Now substitute a, b, c on this equation, we will get the form x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. This is intercept form of the equation of a plane. Next, we are going to discuss another equation of a plane, that is plane passing through intersection of two given planes. Two given planes are given. Here we are considering two given plane, r dot n1 equal to d1, r dot n2 equal to d2. Here we are considering n1 vector, n1 and not unit vector. You can consider unit vector also, that we will get this one. And we are giving the name of this is pi 1 and this is pi 2. And the two planes always intersect at one line if they are not coinciding or they are not parallel. The position vector of any point on the line, position vector of any point on the line of intersection must satisfy both the equation pi 1 and pi 2. Here we are considering that TB, the position vector of a point on the line. Then you can write t dot n1 equal to d1, t dot n2 equal to d2. Therefore, after multiplying lambda this equation, we are adding this distributive block t1 dot n1 plus lambda n2 equal to d1 plus lambda d2. Here lambda is real number and t is an arbitrary. In place of t we are writing standard form r. Therefore, r dot n1 plus lambda n2 equal to d1 plus lambda d2 represent the plane passing through the intersection of this plane. Here I have used one arbitrary point d. But do not use direct, you can write this one. We are multiplying lambda, we are adding this one, then we are getting the equation of the plane passing through intersection of this plane. After that, with the given condition, we will get the value of lambda. Now we are going to find the Cartesian form of this plane. Here we are considering the vector n1 is equal to a1i plus b1j plus c1k and vector n2 equal to a2i plus b2j plus c2k and vector r equal to, as coordinate of r xyj general form, xi plus yj plus zk. And here equation of plane we got this one, r1 dot n1 plus lambda n2 equal to d1 plus lambda d2. Now substitute this value n1, n2 and r in this equation, we will get this one. This is r, this is as n1 plus lambda n2, then you will multiply n2 by lambda, you will get a1 plus lambda n2, lambda a2 into y, b1 plus lambda b2 into j, c1 plus lambda c2 into k. That I have written here. After that, with that dot product, we get x into this, y into b1 plus lambda b2, z into c1 plus lambda c2 equal to d1 plus lambda d2. Actually, after that, again simplification, final form we are getting a1x plus b1y, this one, plus c1 into z minus d1 plus lambda into a2x b2y plus c2z minus d2 equal to 0. Lambda is a real number. This is the Cartesian form of the plane of the given condition. That means passing through to intersection of two plane, we are getting this one. Now another one form point we will discuss, that is coplanarity of two lines. Two lines will be on the same plane. What will be the condition? We will understood this one, because suppose consider two lines, we are considering r is equal to a1 plus lambda b1 and r is equal to a2 plus lambda. These are the two lines, equation of line. And here We are considering A is a point on the line this one, equation 1, and B is a point on the line equation B2. And A is a point, position vector of A, capital A, that is A1, and B is a point on the line B2, position vector of B, that is A2. Here we are writing that the line 1 passing through the point A with position vector A1 and parallel to B1, and line 2 passing through the point B, that is position vector A2 and parallel to B2. Now see, then AB is equal to A2 minus A1. Then given lines are coplanar if and only if because understand this. Suppose this is one vector, this is another vector. You are getting 2 points. Then this vector is on this plane. Now B1 and B2 are two vectors. The cross product of B1 B2 will be perpendicular to B1 B2. Therefore, AB is perpendicular to, that given planes are coplanar if and only if AB is perpendicular to B1 cross B2. That is AB dot B1 cross B2 equal to 0. That A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 equal to 0. This will be the condition that two lines will be coplanar in vector form. In Cartesian form also we are doing. They let x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 be the coordinate of the point A and B respectively, and A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 are direction ratios of B1 and B2. We have taken two line. One is R is equal to A1 plus lambda B1 and R is equal to 2 plus lambda B2. Then same way as AB we are getting position vector B minus position vector of A, we are getting x2 minus x1 y plus y2 minus y1 j plus z2 minus z1 k. And B1 is this vector as A1, B1, C1 are the direction ratios. Similarly, B2 vector this one. And AB dot B1 cross B2 equal to 0. We have got this one, AB cross this vector form. AB dot B1 cross B2 equal to 0. Now that means here we will use the concept of vector triple product. AB, that is scalar component of vector AB, are x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. That is first row of the determinant. And second row will be the scalar component of the vector B1, A1, B1, C1 and scalar component B2, A2, B2, C2. And this is equal to 0. This is the condition. That means two line will be coplanar. Another 2 points are there, angle between two planes and angle between a plane and a line, that will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.